Get ready for an exciting year as new, unbelievably affordable pickup trucks hit the market. We've rounded up the best of the best, all priced under $15,000. But there's more to these trucks than just their unbeatable price tags. Each one boasts its own unique charm, and frankly, I was blown away by their performance, capability, and practicality. Let me break it down for you. 1. Ford Ranchero. Since its debut in the 1950s, the Ranchero has been synonymous with versatility and practicality, seamlessly blending the functionality of a truck with the comfort of a sedan. Across generations, it has captured the hearts of drivers, earning a well-deserved place as a beloved classic. With the new model, Ford not only honors this legacy, but also propels it to new heights of excellence. The automotive world is currently buzzing with a wave of nostalgia. Classic cool is making a comeback, steering car manufacturers to revisit their archives and resurrect beloved models for today's road adventurers. This revival of vintage vehicles is no coincidence. It's a strategic move by automakers to tap into the enduring charm of retro designs. Ford wants to be at the front, and this is a deliberate nod to the golden era when the Ranchero stood tall, facing off against heavyweights like Chevy and Dodge. Those were the glory days of the original car-truck hybrids, and now Ford is gearing up for a magnificent resurgence. The challenge lies in finding the sweet spot between honoring the past and embracing future innovations. Ford's bold venture hinges on successfully navigating this fine line. Picture a refined, powerful masterpiece meticulously designed to conquer any challenge with elegance and sophistication. That's the essence of the new Ranchero. What fuels the design of this exceptional beauty? The magic lies in striking the perfect balance between aesthetics and functionality. From its bold, commanding stance to its sleek aerodynamic lines, every inch of the Ranchero exudes sophistication and power. And let's not forget the signature Ford elements that add a perfect touch of flair. It's no small feat to create a contemporary version of the Ranchero that stays true to its roots while embodying modern iconic status. Ford must deliver a top-tier product without compromising its well-established reputation for excellence. Fortunately, it appears that Ford may have cracked the code, setting the stage for the triumphant return of this beloved vehicle. At the heart of Ford's strategy lies a mission to position the Ranchero as a trailblazer in the automotive industry. The company is gearing up for an expansive marketing blitz, utilizing social media, captivating advertisements, and strategic partnerships with key influencers to create a buzz. But now, let's delve into the intricate technical specs. Under the hood, the 2025 Ranchero shines. With a range of powerful engine options, including hybrid and electric models, you have the freedom to customize your driving experience. Packed with advanced features like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, you can enjoy a smooth and secure journey regardless of the road conditions. But the allure of the Ranchero extends beyond its robust engine. The exterior features of this marvel are equally impressive. From the innovative cargo system to the panoramic sunroof option, every detail is meticulously crafted to enhance both form and function. With a variety of vibrant paint colors available, you can truly make this truck your own. And when you step inside the cabin, you'll find a space that seamlessly blends luxury with practicality. Premium materials, thoughtful design, and cutting-edge technology come together to create a sanctuary that is both lavish and functional. Whether you're tackling your daily commute or embarking on a long road trip, the Ranchero's interior amenities ensure you arrive in style and comfort. And when it comes to performance on the road, the 2025 Ranchero truly stands out. With responsive handling, impressive towing capacity, and exceptional fuel efficiency, driving this truck is a joy. With revolutionary features, cutting-edge technology, and top-notch performance, it claims a spot in a league of its own. If you're in the market for a truck that seamlessly blends versatility with style, look no further than the remarkable new Ford Ranchero. And with a winning combination of style, performance, and practicality, the 2025 Ranchero is set to leave a lasting impression in the automotive world. There is no doubt about it. The only issue I can think of is whether they will be able to bring all this together with a price tag of $8,000. Only time will tell, but there is another company that can really do this, and they have already shown us. 2. Toyota Stout. This might just disrupt the status quo. Because while Ford and Hyundai play it safe with hybrids and limited engine options, Toyota boldly offers a hopping 4 unique powertrain choices. From the high-performing RAV4 hybrid to the dependable gasoline engines, Toyota caters to a wide range of preferences. The hybrid boasts an impressive 219 horsepower from its 2.5 liters inline-4 engine, paired with a seamless CVT and LED for an eco-friendly, exhilarating experience. But for those who enjoy the classic sound of gasoline engines, Toyota has you covered with its reliable 2.5-liter powerhouse pumping out 203 horsepower, coupled with an 8-speed automatic transmission for a graceful ride. And for adventurers seeking thrills, Toyota's Turbo 4 Beast is on the horizon, offering heart-racing performance with a robust 2.4 liters engine producing 228 horsepower and 243 pound-feet of torque. But this thing is far beyond sheer horsepower. It's about making a mark in a fiercely competitive market. While competitors are all aiming for the spotlight, Toyota is coming with fresh pricing and a feature strategy that resonates with consumers. You see, back in the 1960s, the Toyota Stout stood out as a beacon of dependability and toughness in the world of automobiles. This sturdy truck didn't rely on frills or unnecessary add-ons. It exuded sheer power and fortitude. The Stout laid the groundwork for Toyota's worldwide acclaim. These trusty trucks embodied efficiency, always ready to take on any obstacle that crossed their path. Nevertheless, it's important to acknowledge that they had their fair share of drawbacks and restrictions. When it came to performance, the Stout's engines were akin to a vintage watch handed down from your grandfather, reliable and robust, yet not designed for speed. While they got the job done, they weren't the most fuel efficient, unlike the eco-friendly vehicles of today. On top of that, regarding comfort and modern amenities, the Stout wasn't the pinnacle of innovation. These trucks prioritized practicality over luxury, focusing solely on efficiently completing work tasks. Luxurious features like plush seats or high-tech gadgets were out of the question. The Stout was all about functionality. Comfort took a backseat to utility, resulting in a dependable work vehicle rather than a lavish ride. Safety wasn't about airbags and cutting-edge features back then. It was simply about reaching your destination safely. That is why the Toyota Stout holds a special place in the hearts of enthusiasts. So Toyota has to make a modern car with power while maintaining the classic appeal of simplicity. The good thing is that Toyota's strategic move fills a void in their lineup for a compact, budget-friendly pickup truck amidst larger models like the Tundra and Tacoma. It has sleek lines and contours that seem like they've been crafted by an artist's hand. But here's the kicker. It's not just about looking good. These design elements aren't just for show. They're engineered to boost the truck's performance and efficiency. And those LED headlights? They're not just there to light up the road. They're a statement of modern coolness. But let's not get too caught up in the celebration. It's time to talk practicality. What does the Stout bring to the table in terms of utility and value? Rumors are swirling about its potential ties to the RAV4, hinting at a safety pedigree that could rival its SUV counterpart. And word on the street is that the Stout might even one-up the RAV4 with the latest version of Toyota's Safety Sense suite, a move that would solidify its status as a safety fortress on wheels, leaving competitors in the dust. But safety isn't the only thing on Toyota's mind. They're also leading the charge in eco-friendly innovations, promising enhanced performance while keeping Mother Earth in mind. And when it comes to customization, the options are endless. Even the TRD badge is available. When it comes to pricing and competition, it's clear that Toyota has the upper hand. While rivals like the Ford Maverick and Hyundai Santa Cruz struggle to keep up with their own price points, this thing is coming for $15,000. And here is the thing. The market seems to really need a good truck in the reliability department. Ford's track record with recalls raises eyebrows, with incidents ranging from engine fires to assembly mishaps. If this continues to happen, Toyota is going to dominate the market, but that doesn't mean they will not have competition. There is another Japanese company that is widely known for their reliability, and the crazy thing is that they have already been doing this for a long time. What do you think? Let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.